So from Munnar we couldn't track the map, so we were in Munnar. From Munnar we came down towards Kanyakumari, bypassing, coming through the Pattanimitta. From Pattanimitta we came to Adur to Kolam. From Kolam we continued the 66 NS66 and came to Thiruvananthapuram. From Thiruvananthapuram directly to Kanyakumari. So after finishing Kanyakumari we left to Tirunelveli. From Tirunelveli we crossed Thuthukudi. From Thuthukudi we bypassed Thuthukudi and went to the same highway and reached Ramanathapuram. From Ramanathapuram we crossed Pamban Bridge, which I couldn't show in the night because we traveled in the night. I will show in the future vlogs. From crossing Pamban Bridge we came to Rameshwaram. Rest in the ride. Let's catch you in the vlog. So good morning. There's a hotel where we live and the bikers are ready to move on. Now we are going to Rameshwaram temple, the main deity temple. So let's go. Temple will be our first destination. So welcome to Rameshwaram. Hope the vlogs are come well. No one is using the navigation. There at far we can sight the Gopuram, Vimana Gopuram of Rameshwaram temple. Wind blast is there a bit. I can feel the wind actually because we are at the tip of the India or island. These are the streets of Rameshwaram. So once again, welcome to Rameshwaram. This is my first time I am visiting Rameshwaram actually. About Rameshwaram, the legendary story you all know about the whole Ramayana. Once you know the whole Ramayana, then everything will be nice to check out actually. The places and whatever. Welcome to Rameshwaram. See the whole bit traffic in here. Everyone are in a swag. Let's go to the temple first. Have a look of the Vimana go from there. It's sunny. White body temperature is only 43 degrees. Humidity is horrible. This is the main temple, I think. The Rameshwaram Gopuram, Vimana Gopuram. People from all over India and all over the world come here. Where is the parking? No one is there for enquiry. Parking? Temple is closed, it seems. It's open at 3, it seems. So let's go back and explore Dhanushkodi. These are the streets of Dhanushkodi road. Just now we missed Rameshwaram because we couldn't make it at the time in the morning only. So it's open at 3 it seems. So instead of wasting time here, let's go and explore Dhanushkodi. Dhanushkodi is 20 kilometers from here it seems. It's unbearable oh, the traffic is there. Wind blast is more. I don't think so my voice will be getting to you people. This is the village of our late president, beloved late president APJ Abdul Kalam, Dhanushkodi, 13 kilometers. It was too hot in the city near the temple, but it's becoming cool, I think. Better than that. On my right, it's fully land, and on my left, it's fully this one. What does it say? Ocean. kothandaramaswamy. ಏನೋ ರಾಮನ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಇದೆಯಂತೆ. ಇದು ಧನುಷ್ಕೋಡಿ ಕಾದ್ರಾ? ఇది ధనుష్కోటి కాదు. ఇది కాదు ధనుష్కోటి. Just have a look. Just have a look. This is not Dhanushkodi, but there is a temple. It seems kothandaramaswamy temple. That is the temple, kothandaramaswamy temple. So this is a holy place where Lord Rama conducted pattabhishekam of VIBHISHANA, brother of King Ravana, after the battle against Ravana. In this shot, in this sense, VIBHISHANA's pattabhishekam was done here, it seems, after the Ravana died.